This entire firing sequence, trigger to bullet exit, happens in under 4 milliseconds. No hammer. No external safety lever. Just a spring, a striker, and precision engineering. A compact frame, roughly 19 centimeters long, built almost entirely from high-strength polymer. Steel handles the pressure. Polymer cuts the weight, a smart balance of strength and speed. The grip angle and texture are molded directly in, for a stable, repeatable hold. Now let's break it apart completely, every spring, pin, and part, one by one. All these parts assemble together. Now let's see the complete mechanism in action. The moment the round fires, gas pressure pushes the bullet, and pushes the slide back too. For a split second, the barrel and slide stay locked, moving backward as one single unit. A cam surface then forces the barrel to tilt downward, unlocking it from the slide. Now free, the slide alone continues backward, the barrel stays behind, locked in place. As the slide retreats, the extractor hook pulls the spent casing straight out with it. The casing strikes the ejector and flies clear, making room for the next round. All that backward energy compresses the recoil spring, storing power for the return stroke. The spring instantly pushes back, driving the slide forward again at full speed. As the slide moves forward, a fresh cartridge rises up from the magazine below. The slide's face scoops the cartridge forward, guiding it smoothly into the chamber. Pulling the trigger lifts a small internal bar deep inside the frame. That bar releases the spring-loaded striker, which snaps forward and fires the round. Fire, unlock, eject, reload, fire again, one continuous loop, every single trigger pull. This precise mechanism doesn't happen by accident, it starts on the factory floor. Manufacturing starts with the frame, molten polymer injected into a precision steel mold. The mold cools rapidly, then opens to release a solid, finished polymer frame. Meanwhile, steel parts like the slide are cut from solid blocks with precision machines. Every finished part passes through a strict inspection before it moves to assembly. Skilled hands then fit every component together, piece by piece, on the line. Once assembled and tested, the finished pistol is ready, built from precision, part by part. Every part snaps back together, a simple, reliable system of just a few components.